Okay, here we go. Let's set up the Theta Edge cache and earn some TFUEL. So this tutorial is just going to run through the process of setting up the Theta Edge Cache app, creating a Theta wallet so that you can get paid your TFUEL into the wallet and have the ability to transfer that through to a crypto exchange and sell it for some Bitcoin or US dollars, depending on where you're located. So let's get into it. So what you want to first do is just open up your favorite web browser. I like Brave. That's a good recommendation. Head over to thetatoken.org. Make sure that you definitely got this typed in right. I'm pretty sure there's a few scam sites around that, but make sure you definitely got thetatoken.org. Once you've loaded up the main page, just go scroll down till you get to this section here, where you can join the network. There's two different types of nodes here. You've got your Theta Guardian node, which is a bit more involved in that. You've actually got to hold some Theta tokens, which I will do a video on at a later date. But today we're just doing the Theta Edge node. So you just want to hit your download button, whether you're Windows or Mac OS. That's up to you. Save that somewhere safe. Once that's saved, we want to open that up. We'll wait for that to open up. We'll download and open up. So while that's doing that, we'll also create a wallet. So whilst you're on this Theta token website, you want to hit this wallet link here, which will take you off to wallet.thetatoken.org. Once again, you want to make sure that you're on the right field, the right website. And we want to create a wallet. So if you don't have a wallet already, we'll go through the creation process of creating a new wallet. We don't have a wallet. We want to create that wallet. This is where you'll set a password for the key store file. So make it something secure. I'm just going to put a dummy password in here because we're doing this for tutorial purposes. Make sure that you understand what this is saying. The Theta team cannot actually recover or reset any of your passwords or restore your wallet, so it's very crucial to keep that key store file, or as you'll see on the next screen, there'll be a recovery phrase that you want to write down. So just be aware of that, because I can't stress it enough. Like if you lose this key store file or your mnemonic phrase, you won't be able to recover your wallet or your funds at all. It'll be gone forever. So we want to save this this somewhere. So save it somewhere safe, like documents or somewhere that you know where it is. And then this is the next stage here where we're going to back up our wallet phrase. So the next screen is going to show the mnemonic phrase. Make sure no one's around to be able to see it. Not that I think that they could memorize it, but you never know. So it's going to show your mnemonic phrase. Make sure you don't use this one that I've got here. I'll block out some of these words to make sure no one uses it. But write this down on a piece of paper, keep it safe, laminate it. I don't know, like stamp it into a piece of steel or something so that it can't fade. Just keep it safe, because without this, you can't recover that wallet. So if for some reason your computer dies and you lose that key store file, this will help you recover your wallet and get access to those funds again. So once you've written that down on a piece of paper, I'll just copy that just in case. Once you've written that down on a piece of paper and you know that it's safe and all the words are correct, you can hit continue and you're ready to go. So you can unlock your wallet, which is just as simple as choosing that key store file, which we saved into documents. So we'll open up key store file, enter in that password that you entered, and unlock that wallet. So once that's unlocked, obviously it's going to be empty because you haven't got anything sent there, but you can receive your funds to this address right here. So if anyone asks you, do you have a TFUEL address I can send some funds to, or you want to buy something from someone for a TFUEL, you can send from here, or that's your address. So that's your wallet. We'll move on to the Theta Edge Node. So once we've installed the Edge Node, it will pop up and you're pretty much good to go with your Edge player if you want to go with that, and do your Edge streaming. So there's a bit involved in that, but we can get, generally you could probably turn this off if you're not going to be using that feature. We want to start earning our TFUEL, so we want to use this Edge Cache function here. So we hit this button. This is where we enter in our Theta wallet address. So we can copy that from here. Just hit this copy button, and that's copied that to the clipboard. We will paste. We'll have to do Control V because you can't actually right click in there for some reason. Edit paste, whichever's easier. Once you hit that in there, you hit your sign up button and you're good to go. That's it. It's as easy as that. Once you've got that that earnings wallet in there, it will sit here and it will wait for a stream to be assigned to you. So once there's a job near you, if there's a peer near you that you can share to, it will automatically assign it. You'll start sharing that bandwidth and you'll start earning it. So you'll see this tick over. Just check it every day or so, and leave this running in the background. So you can just minimize it and leave it running in the background while you do other things, or leave it run overnight. Or if you want to make sure that you have your most amount of bandwidth, you can easily just close it down and come back to running it at a later date just by double clicking on this icon. That'll boot it all back up and it will remember. So there we go. You can see I've got one active job. Haven't got any peers yet, but we'll see. I might connect up to some peers. We might just give it a minute, see if we can connect up to any peers. And doesn't look like it's going to do it, but yeah, so give it some time, it'll connect up with some peers and you'll start earning. And do that offline, doesn't matter, it doesn't share a specific stream, it will give you a stream to share so that you don't have to worry about finding the stream with the most amount of people or someone that's close to you. It'll do it all for you. Just run it in the background and you're all good to go. And that's as easy as that. And at the end of the month, you'll get a payout. So if you've earned TFUEL, which you most likely will have by the end of the month, that'll automatically get paid out at the beginning of the next month to this Theta wallet. So you can log into this Theta wallet at the end of the month, and under this TFUEL tab, you'll be able to see the transaction where you've received it. And once you've received it, you can send it off to an exchange, or send it off to your Theta.tv wallet, and be able to donate that to streamers or use it to buy an item from the item shop. It's as easy as that. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to hear your comments on this. If there's anything you don't understand, definitely leave me a comment, don't forget to like and follow. You have a good day. Bye.